How to create project timeline in Microsoft Office Excel. This is my example we'll share to you. First, add the title. I set project timeline and format text to impact font. And in row 3, I display subject. Next, in column D, 3 show months. Start from January to December. Click on this cell and hold click and drag to the right. Next, these cells and merge cells, and in cell I show year 1, 2026. After I resize column, hold selects these cells and drags to the left size. And the end 2027. And this is timeline of next period, year 2, 2027. After in the subjects there are 4. I add in cell and format cell with these color. The 4 subject there are email, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Sheets. After resize the rows of cells, hold select and drag it down. The text arranges a line center. Next, format, color on cells. Next, I need circle shape, and inside I set the number. The font I adjust, impact. Next, I need the fill color, is white. After I copy this shape to 4 more shape, I use shortcut key is Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V paste. Next step, change color the circle shape. first contents for email. I need 2 months with this course. I select 2 cells and merge cells. After, add color on cell. Next course, the MS Office word is format, the same FIST course. After the Excel course, hold and select cells and merge. Set color and enter the text. Next course is PowerPoint. And Google Sheet is last course. On the header, format color on cell. At the title, I increase font size. Next, I want to hide grid line. After, click File and View Print. The issues are not full, only 1 page. Okay. Turn to Home tab. And click on Page Layout, and choose 1 page with 2 options. Okay, now View to Print again. Okay, the size is full, only 1 page.